endearment. Like, yeah, endearment.
Like endearment.
And okay, it sounds like endearment, yes, but it's endearment.
Endearment.
Kutument, endearment.
Endearment.
There you go, endearment. Chitegeza, words or things, phrases are used to show affection or love. Kugumwena ganti, there are terms of endearment. Ubugamba mtu bwakozesa ne kulaga nti akwagala wa akwagadde nnyo Valentine yeno. So those are terms of endearment. Yeah, sweetie, honey, so phrase
baby, you are the what? You're my sunshine.
Yeah.
You're the you see you lose about night when I got my you're the sunshine of my when I got my heart in the
but go kwa okay to cha kwa na kwa we no mukazi ne wa mukwana otya jangu itawo
yana abulabi anyamba zina gina tingula nagaba musajja like anjagala.
Are you serious? Your endearment was not words, yali action.
It was action. Nazina wind.
Naga endearment. Happy Valentine's.